Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into KuCoin mobile application step by step. If you're new to KuCoin or just installed the app, logging in for the first time can feel confusing due to its security layers. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and make sure that you're inside this sign-in page. First of all, you can log into KuCoin with email or phone number, or even continue logging in with passkey, Telegram account, or Apple ID. Make sure to choose the same method that you previously chose while getting started or creating an account for KuCoin. Since I signed up with email, I'm gonna have to type in my email address in the text box at the top. You can also enter your phone number if you've previously signed up with phone. After entering your credential, click Next. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your login password for KuCoin. If you don't remember the password, tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset instructions. If you remember your password, you can type it down in the text box correctly. Finally, after you are done, click on Login. On the next page, you'll also need to verify your email. Enter the verification code you received from your email associated with KuCoin. Type down the email exactly as it appears inside your inbox, and you'll then be able to log in successfully. So that's how you easily sign in or log into KuCoin application on your smartphone in just a few simple steps. With your account now accessible, you can start trading, checking balances, managing assets, and exploring KuCoin's features the right way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.